However, in this video I'll be showing you how to upload images on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser. Just go to guys roblox.com. Just tap on create tab guys. Now you just need to tap on this menu button over here and just go to settings. Just go to guys, now you just need to go to in developer items, and here you can see the images. Just tap on it and now you can upload your images here. So if you want to upload your images, you can upload your images as decals, but because we don't get this upload option here, so you can upload your images as decals. Just tap on it, and guys, you just need to upload your image here, and there's a name here, description here, and just tap on upload button and your image will be uploaded here. So I already uploaded the decals.